Artificial intelligence is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. This film is titled Ex Machina, and it is a fascinating story about creating artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can range from Siri, which is a creation by Apple, to even as far-fetched as a human computer. The artificial intelligence specialist named Nathan is coming to investigate the escape attempt of his creation Ava and his housemaid Kyoko, who is now known as one of his creations. When he confronts the girls who are having a conversation in the hallway, he tells Ava to go to her room, and she asks, "If I do, will you ever let me out?" Since she is a creation of artificial intelligence, she is very smart, and when he told her that he would let her out, she knew he was lying the second he said it. She begins to charge at him in order to destroy her abductor as she sees him. This shows that Nathan was outsmarted by his own creation. He has spent years and years trying to create the perfect replica of a human being, but through AI. Earlier in the film, the main character, Caleb, exposes his other models that he has killed behind the mirrors in his room. This shows that he in fact was creating models that were more brilliant than the one before. In this case, he should have seen it coming that he would eventually be outsmarted. Kyoko takes her revenge because she has been manipulated all of these years and stabs him in the back. This has an underlying meaning because Nathan thought she would always be on his side, but in the end, she turns on him and literally stabs him in the back. When he goes to find comfort in Ava, she then pulls the knife out of his back and then proceeds to stab him in the chest. These artificial intelligence creations have outsmarted their creator, which will happen if we continue to improve the technology as we have seen.
I even made a new friend. I have a friend. And the absurd thing is she's actually an operating system. Charles left her behind, but she's totally amazing. You know, she's so smart. She doesn't just see things in black or white. Like, she sees this whole gray area, and she's helping me explore it. And we just bonded really quickly. I'm weird. That's weird, right? That I'm bonding with an OS. No, it's okay. It's weird.
Well, I don't think so. Actually, the woman that I've been seeing, Samantha, I didn't tell you, but she's an OS.
You're dating an OS? What is that like?
It's great, actually. Yeah, I mean, I feel really close to her. Like, when I talk to her, I feel like she's with me.
Are you falling in love with her?
Does that make me a freak?
No.
The quote, "A computer would deserve to be called intelligent if it could deceive a human into believing that it was human," relates to this clip so well. This movie is called Her, and it is about the main character, Theodore, who falls in love with his OS, which is his operating system. This is a form of artificial intelligence, but it is not as advanced as Ava in the movie Ex Machina. He meets Samantha, which is the name of his OS, and immediately is fond of her because she meets his every need. She has schemed her way into his life and has deceived Theodore into thinking she has feelings. The problem is that she is programmed to do so she cares for him the way he has always wanted. He finds comfort in her that he does not find in his own wife. Since Samantha is an operating system, Theodore is not her only companion. She is continuously meeting new people who she is programmed to fit their needs as well, and Theodore does not realize this. She is meant to fill the void in every person that buys her operating system. When he is stating that he is in love with her, he is saying he is in love with the computer, which is insane, but nowadays we are all in love with our computers. We cannot go anywhere without them. Our phones are attached to our hip, and without them, we do not know what to do or how to communicate with others. In our society today, we have many examples of artificial intelligence, whether we realize it or not. The first one is Alexa, which is an Amazon invention that is basically a person because you can speak to it without pressing any buttons. When you say to Alexa, it will automatically respond to you to see what you need. You can give her any command such as buy me cookies and she will have them delivered to your doorstep. The next one is Netflix, which many people would not realize. Netflix is a great app that people use in order to watch television shows and movies for a low monthly cost. The way it shows artificial intelligence is through your movie choices. It can tell exactly what you have watched and it continuously gives you recommendations on movies and shows that it feels you would like. This shows that it knows your personality based on your movie choices, and it knows you so well that it can give you ones that you will enjoy. Another great example is Siri. Siri is an Apple program that now comes with its iPhones, and it allows you to ask questions in order to save time typing. Siri knows everything and anything you will ask her, and if she doesn't, she'll give you websites that have the research on them. Artificial intelligence is a very interesting and exciting topic because you never know what the future holds and where we will be in 10 or even 20 years.